Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm not gonna talk much through this video. I'm still sick. It's really hard for me to talk. My chest hurts. Oh my god, this sickness sucks. I'm just letting you know that now. I'm gonna let you guys know what's been going on, and you guys can enjoy the video and all that fun stuff. It's been a minute since I was able to post a video. We just got done moving into our new place, and I got my makeup table set up and everything. And then me and my little one ended up getting really sick. I was bedridden for 3 days with this freaking sickness. I think I ended up getting the actual flu. Oh my god. It is so hard for me to talk. Oy, oy, oy. Anyways, so this is what's been going on, and this is why it's been kind of slow posting lately. Same with my Facebook and Instagram and all that stuff. I do have a new Instagram. My other one I don't use anymore. I will link that in the description. But yes, I am so excited to be back into this. I am so excited to create more looks for you guys. I cannot wait for the rest of the year in 2020. Oh my god, I'm going to make 2020 my babe. Instead of saying curse words, I'm gonna make it my babe. But anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. I did the best I could. Let me know what you guys think about the backdrop. Oh my god. Oh, it is so hard to actually talk. This sucks. But let me know what you guys think about the backdrop. I feel like it washes out a lot of stuff on video, but with pictures, it came out beautiful. I'm not sure what's going on there, but please let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is a recreation that I did about a year ago that no, it was about a year ago when my makeup career really took off. So I created a candy corn look about a year ago, and I remastered it this year. And this is the result of it. And I couldn't be happier with how this makeup came out either. I'm just so happy with how it came out, and I'm just amazed. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, leave me a like down below, subscribe, whatever you guys want to do. I'm really excited to be back to posting. I hope you guys are excited, and let's make the rest of this year in 2020 our babes, and we will slay next year. Oh my god, I am so excited about next year. But okay, I gotta go give my voice a rest. I gotta go give my chest a rest. And I will see you guys in my next video.